If you use the special link at the bottom of the screen, you'll get an exclusive discount on your hosting plan. That link will always get you the best deal that we have at the time. You'll also find that same link if you scroll down to the top of the video description. This is a better deal than what you'll find on Bluehost's homepage, so make sure you're seeing that exclusive discount. Let's select the hosting plan and domain now. To claim your exclusive discount and take advantage of a free domain, click Get Started Now. Here you'll see the Bluehost plans. Everything in this tutorial works with the starter plan, so I'll click Choose Plan. Now it's time to choose your domain name. Try to keep it short, memorable, and most importantly, it needs to be available. I'll type in BHWP Tutorial 3, short for Bluehost WordPress Tutorial. You can also change your top-level domain here, but I recommend sticking with the .com. And I like to add domain privacy and protection to avoid any junk mail, but I'll show you how to remove that later if you change your mind. Now, click Search for Domain. On this page, you can create your account and confirm your plan details. So the first thing I'll do is come over here on the left and enter an email, and I'll choose a password. Then, under the recommended add-ons, I'm going to remove SiteLock Essentials. You may want to explore these options, but I'll proceed without any add-ons. Then, back over on the right, you can click the download under Starter Hosting. If you're on a budget, you can choose the 1-year plan, but choosing the 3-year plan will lock in this low rate. This is our free domain for a year, and here is where you could remove that domain and privacy protection if you want to go without that. When you're happy with your plan details, scroll down to billing information. Enter your details over here on the left, and then click Submit Payment. Now that we have set up our hosting and we have our domain, it's time to install WordPress. And just like that, after submitting payment, Bluehost will automatically install WordPress for you. And you'll land in the Bluehost dashboard.